A seedless marriage to the recipient. A game of conviction. A game to some. Slave-free. Slavery. No. Slay-free. Slay-free. It's a system. Slay-free. It's a method. The ticking tock. The talking tick. Be swayed, weather. Paper dolls are your motives. A seedless marriage to the recipient. A seedless marriage to the recipient. World is yours the least when you claim it. World is yours the least when you claim it. One at a time, watch. One at a time, watch. Slay Santa, free the dragon. Slay Santa, free the dragon. What? As in, slay Santa, free the dragon? Oh, okay. Slay Santa, free the dragon. Socks for presents down them chimneys. Socks better than red and green, right? Socks better than red and green, white. A seedless marriage to the recipient. A seedless marriage to the recipient. World is yours the least when you claim it. World is yours the least when you claim it. One at a time, watch. One at a time, watch. Description that lids the free choice barrels. No, not like that. It's a word that lingers. Broken worries, wound sharp smiles. A seedless marriage to the recipient. A seedless marriage to the recipient. World is yours the least when you claim it. World is yours the least when you claim it. To tops from heels. From tops on heels. Where proceed from tops of hills. Quite where? Where indeed? Where is hair quite fluid to there? A seedless marriage to the recipient. A seedless marriage to the recipient. Be known to have not owned. To? Glue it rather, slam it farther. Faceless offer to your smile. Pour you, looker, look closer. Couple of words that pour. To stop a stake for a perfect fake. Oh heavens, could there be a reason? Visage, vision, for a perfect reason. Voilà.